turn off and back on.
That's a sick board.
Thank you.
That's cool.
I just got it today.
Awesome.
I promise you've never seen a skateboard like this before in your life.
Oh, okay. New Uditer longboard. Still figuring out how to say the brand's name utterly. Don't settle. Say no to your old electric skateboard. Let's unbox it and see what we're working with. Almost got it. Looks like there's tape on this side I gotta get to. Struggle bus over here. I think it's gonna slide out from this end. You wanna help me? I'm struggling.
This part should fall.
That was a struggle, guys. It was taped all the way around. Right out. Interesting the way it feels. Got the remote hitting right underneath. Ooh, I love the finger hole that this has. Super nice while you're riding. And this has a really nice wrist guard on it too. That's nice. It's a nice light remote too. That's like the lightest remote I have felt. It feels like little tiny dots. Nice little ASMR moment. It's got these little dots on it. Super soft gel-like material. Oh, those wheels are bigger than I thought. All right, yeah, let's pull her out. It's not too heavy. Ooh, under the board looks very slick. I really want to jump on it. Is that okay? Does you want me to wait?
Sure.
It's a brand new prototype, guys. No one's ever done anything like this before. Where the whole top of the screen, or sorry, the whole top of the deck is a screen. That's weird. It's saying in speed 4 it goes 53 miles per hour. I thought it only goes 28. So that's what you mean? You could turn it into a little scooter with the handlebar that it comes with for learners? That's interesting. Just like that. Awesome. Now I think it should turn on with just the remote. Let's see. Yep. Now it's like a one button turn on. A lot more convenient. All right. Immediately whip it around in this purple and blue. Ooh, look at that. I guess we'll turn the lights off, really show it off. Damn, that is immediately eye-catching. Wow, that's beautiful. Sorry, I'm mesmerized by the board. I just want to look at it. It's so beautiful. Mesmerizing. I just turned it on. I don't know what's going on yet. We'll have to play with the app because you can make the design whatever your heart desires. And this board's a $600 board. What a steal. Should we turn the lights off so you can really see it? If you get this, you're going to be the coolest person at the skate park. That is wicked. Ooh. Whoa. That one's cool. I like that one.
Right like that. Hold it there. One of these is probably be the thumbnail. It's amazing.
I was going to put something cool on the screen that could be a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. See if I whip it around. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. Oh, it's actually super grippy. I'm gonna wait till the cooling comes on again. Ah. This screen is super nice and bright, and you can see it so clearly. All the different gears it has, along with the longboard itself. I'm trying to connect to the app right now, so I can make the screen whatever I want. All right, now let's do a little test and see how it looks in the sun, because it's super bright, as you saw in the dark garage.
Pretty hard to see.
And it's a bright, bright day out. Now in direct sunlight, as you guys can tell, you can't really see it. Keep in mind, this is the first board ever like this, where the whole deck is a pixel LED screen. So at night, it's super eye-catching. You can see it, no doubt. But it's a super sunny day, and so... Wow, that is easy. You just push them in and lift up.
Flip it over so we can see.
Okay.
The cord.
Go. That is definitely the most... Well, if I can get it in. I think it's in. It's flat. Let me just double check. Lay it flat and then like that. There we go. Alright, we're going to take this out for a night ride to test out the LED pixel screen. We'll see you guys then. You want to go out there and try it, Will?
Nah.
Should we drink it?
Yeah. I'd be like, whoa, whoa. We don't really get snow before Christmas anyways. You can do like candy cane stripes on it.
Yeah, good idea.
I bet you can find some like light up wheels you can put on it.
Yeah. Good idea. Alright, I'll try not to kill myself.
Deuces.
See you tomorrow. Hey.
What's up? How are you?
Good. I just got this new longboard today, so I'll test it out. Isn't that fucking sick? I'm in love. Alright guys, now you can see it shine and sparkle in all of its glory at night. I am absolutely mesmerized by it. It's really hard to focus at work. But let's go give her a little rip. Stops on a dime though. Yeah, look at that. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. So I can make this my full-time job. Nice little foot massage. It's the one place in Iowa City. It technically is illegal, this one little block. My feet are going numb. The deck has no flex to it. Look at that. Watch me jump on it, guys. Nothing. Got full moon out tonight. Hello. Alright, so it's got thousands of screens to choose from. I programmed some ones that I like the best. We got some Halloween theme in there. Look at how wicked that is, guys. I think it's pronounced the Uditer Pixar LED board. I will say though that it stops on a dime compared to my other boards. That's awesome.
Look, I need to borrow your hoverboard. Where is he? He's on a hoverboard!
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to check out the Uditer Pixel Rider, we've dropped the exclusive link in the description. You can be among the first people in the world to own this new technology. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Jordan Moves. Scoot Gang out.